time to open up the birthday cake Oreos. Let's go ahead and take a look and see what first look looks like. And first look is, this is first look. And they do smell like birthday cake, so it's time for the taste test. And the taste test is a success. Let's try it with milk. It definitely tastes better than what it tastes like plain without milk. So I think you would rather eat it with milk. Now for the final score. I'm giving it a 10.